Alright, so once you receive your Vortex Lite, first thing you're going to do is plug it in on separate circuits. After that, you're going to come and fill up the fresh water tank, which is the tank towards the back. Fill that up with fresh water. After that, you're going to press the pump button, which is the button with the blue icon on top. After that, come to the valve, turn it, align it with the valve. Then you're going to come inside the fresh water tank. If you're facing the front of the machine, you know, look to your right. There's a 45-degree fitting. You should see water coming out through there once the machine is primed. After that, come back to the valve, turn off your pump. Get the inlet hose of your diesel heater connected to your outlet fitting of your Vortex Lite. On the outlet of your diesel heater, you're going to connect the male QD. Once that's done, you're going to turn on your pump again on your Vortex Lite. You should see water come out. At first, the water is going to come out a little brownish. Those are just minerals that are stuck inside of the coils. Just flush all that out. Once you're done flushing that out, go back to the Vortex Lite, turn off the pump, release the male QD, put your solution line, connect everything, and you're good to go.